Hello, it's Miguel here from Real. I just wanted to create a quick video to give you some tips on how to run your e-commerce business during the coronavirus crisis. So as you know, the COVID-19 has impacted many different sections of the e-commerce world: shipping, manufacturing, selling, pretty much anything. It's affecting the demand as well. So here's the few tips that I wanted to share with you. First of all, you need to be transparent with your customers, making sure that they understand that there will be delays with their orders, not because you are not doing your work properly, but because there are measures in place put by government and different institutions that are making it difficult for the goods to arrive to the destination in a timely manner. So you need to make sure that the customer is aware of that, and you need to be proactive. You don't need to wait until they complain before you tell them. You need to be proactive. Think about ways to make sure that they know in advance that the order will be delayed. That's the first thing. Then, you also need to update your adverts, your listings, to make sure that they show the right information and that you don't create false expectations to your customers. So when they purchase something, they are aware that this order will be delayed or that it will take a few weeks to arrive. As you might have seen now, Amazon, even Prime, is taking weeks to arrive in some cases. So you need to make sure that your listings match your supplier, the information that you have on your supplier, especially if you are dropshipping. Then, in the dropshipping case, which is what we work on with Real, since we support a lot of suppliers, each supplier might be impacted in a different way. So if you are using 3, 4, 6 suppliers, we would advise you to contact them individually if you are still selling from them on eBay, and make sure that you understand the problems that they will face during this time and the considerations that they are making or that they are publishing on their website, and make sure that you are up to date with them so that there is no problems later on. And especially if you are listing new items, make sure that they comply and that they are in stock, and the source will be able to provide those items to your customers. Then, in case of eBay, which is the main selling platform we use at the moment at Real, they have released a statement, which we will put the link on the description below, with some rules that you need to follow in case you are still selling certain items. For example, you need to be careful when you are using certain keywords, especially like coronavirus, virus epidemic. These are not allowed at the moment. And also that the pricing that you put on those products, in case you sell them, is fair, because eBay don't want people taking advantage of the current situation to make more money. So if you are found to be infringing these particular policies that eBay has put in place, your account will be at risk. So make sure that you read the eBay statement and that you comply. Also, you need to make sure that if you do sell those products, such as masks, wipes and hand sanitizer, you need to make sure that they comply with each one of the policies, or they will end up suspending your account. So my recommendation would be, in case of drop shipping, I would stay away at the moment from those products. Now, you will say, oh, well, if this is on high demand, then what could I sell? You need to think out of the box then. This will be the next tip. So if you think that people are now at home in Spain, in England, in many countries in Europe, recently in the UK as well, so people at home will need board games, will need sport materials. We have seen a high demand of those products at the moment at Real, because with the information that we have, you might want to sell DIY tools for home improvement tasks, because people will be at home and will probably need that information. We have thought that we will give you a list of examples of products that are selling well at the moment, so that you, in case you want to list them, instead of listing those that are a bit restricted at the moment. There's many categories, if you think out of the box, of product that you can still sell and that are selling very well at the moment. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Feel free to comment below and stay safe. Thank you very much.